In this video, I'm going to reveal the 8 easiest ways that you can make money without any skills. We're going to talk about how you can get started with little to no money, how you can scale, and how much you can potentially earn with 8 of these different opportunities. So make sure you watch this entire video and comment which one you'd like to learn more about, and I'll actually create a separate video. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt, and as a successful internet marketer, I have made money with security cameras, soundbar, stand mixers, web hosting, microwaves, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing and make money online tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already have. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to reveal 8 ways that you can make money with no skills. All of these, with the exception of 1, maybe 2, you can get started with no money or less than $100. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The first one that I want to share, and potentially my favorite, is simply with affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, it's a fancy, pretty word for simply recommending other people's products and services. And the way that it works is you are going to find products and services that you're interested in creating content about. You're going to create content, and then you are going to recommend that people click on your affiliate link to buy the product. Now, how you can get started with no skills is you can do simple things like unboxing videos. For example, let's take a look at my phone here. You could actually do an iPhone 11 or 12, whatever this is, unboxing video. And there are going to be millions of people that are interested in that type of content. You're going to want to create unboxing videos, reviews, first impressions, comparison. So like iPhone 11 versus the iPhone 12 or whatever level iPhone you have, or iPhone 12 versus the Android equivalent. When you create that type of content, you're actually going to attract people that are interested in purchasing the iPhone. Now, it doesn't just have to be the iPhone. It can be literally anything that you have purchased, whether it was online or offline. You're simply going to create content and then recommend or provide their affiliate link. And it's really easy to get started. What you'd want to do, let's say you want to be an affiliate for Amazon, which is the largest affiliate network in the world. You are simply going to go to Amazon.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on Become an Affiliate, and simply walk through the steps of signing up. Once you have your affiliate link and once you've signed up for Amazon Associates, you can actually create content on your recent purchases. Yes, anything that you purchased within the last 10 years, you could actually create content on. Again, you can create reviews, first impression, unboxing, because if you're interested in that product, chances are there are millions of people that are also interested in it. So the first one, and potentially my favorite, is with affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, let me know and I'll actually create more content, more videos on how you can start affiliate marketing. After affiliate marketing, we have data entry. Now, data entry doesn't require any skills at all. You are simply going to get a Excel spreadsheet, a Google Doc. You're going to get some information and you're going to have to input it somewhere else. For example, when I used a data entry person, I had taken screenshots of keyword research that I'd done, and I had that person just look at the look at the screenshots and enter them into an Excel spreadsheet. Now with data entry, you're probably going to make about $25 to $30 per job, depending on how you find your clients. But it's really easy. It's almost mindless, and you can actually work with multiple clients. The only drawback to something like data entry is it might be a little inconsistent. You might have to continuously fight for work and fight for clients, but it can be a great way to make money. After data entry is virtual assistant. Now it's similar, but it's just a little bit different. With virtual assistant, you are going to get tasks that are assigned to you from your manager, and you're going to execute those tasks. So these tasks can be anything that your manager asks you to do. It can be data entry, but usually it's something like maybe planning, scheduling different meetings, just making sure that his schedule is in order, his or her schedule is in order, just whatever tasks that are assigned, you are simply going to execute them. Now, there are people on TikTok that say they make $100K per year simply being a virtual assistant. And the cool thing with being a virtual assistant is you can actually work with multiple clients as long as you are organized. But virtual assistant is, in my opinion, you don't need any skills to get started, but you can develop some over a long period of time. Number 4 is actually with starting a YouTube channel. Yes, you don't really need any skills to start a YouTube channel, and you can start doing YouTube videos for free. What I recommend that you do is you can actually start creating content on stuff that you do all day, things that you're interested in, things that you like, different hobbies, and I guarantee you there is a ton of ways to make money. For YouTube channels, for example, you can make money in about 7 different ways. 1 is the YouTube Partner Program, 2 is with affiliate marketing, 3 is selling your own digital or physical products. You can also make money with brand deals and sponsorships. There's just a lot of opportunity. You can also make money selling merch as well. So what I recommend that you do is you can actually just start making YouTube videos with your smartphone and a stack of books. What you do is you stack your phone, you put your phone on the stack of books, and you're simply going to create content. Your YouTube videos are going to be bad in the very beginning. That's fine. 99% of the people that create YouTube videos in the very beginning, those videos are terrible. The most important thing that you can do when it comes to YouTube is keep uploading videos and get 1% better over time. If you get 1% better every single day or every time you upload a brand new video, you are going to be an expert in YouTube in no time. So go out, create YouTube videos. In my opinion, it's one of the best ways to make money online, and you don't need any skills. Number 5 is being a transcriptionist. Now, a transcriptionist, you are simply going to type whatever you hear or see. There are tons of different websites out there. Transcribe Me, Rev are just a couple of them, but you are going to hear things. Maybe it's a webinar, maybe it was a conference of some sort. Whatever you hear, you're just going to type it down or enter it in to a Google Doc or a Word document, whatever it may be. And again, you don't need any skills for it. You just want to make sure that your hearing is okay and you're able to type proficiently. To get the top tier jobs over on a website like Rev, you're going to need to be a fast typer, but to counteract that, you can actually find different gigs over on Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, where you are transcribing for other small, medium, and solopreneurs. So transcriptionist is another opportunity. After transcriptionist is investing in ETFs. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Now, I don't normally give out any investing advice. I am not your investing person, but starting and investing in ETFs can be a great way to make money. Now, an ETF, or an Exchange Traded Fund, as I mentioned, basically is a collection of stocks that are bundled together, and you invest in them. You can invest for as little as like maybe $100, and you can make money. The great thing with the different types of ETFs out there is that there are some that just track the S&P 500. So instead of you trying to become a stock expert and trying to figure out which stocks to buy, you can go out and find one of the ones that track the Dow or the S&P 500. You just put your money in there, you set it, and forget it. Now, if you're going to do investing, definitely only invest money you can afford to lose, and make sure that you have an investing plan. One of the biggest mistakes that I see people make is they invest in once and then they just kind of walk away. What you probably should do is invest consistently over a period of time so that you can have the compounding interest effect. But investing in ETFs can be a great way to make money. Number 7 is to sell your knowledge. Now, you don't need any skills to sell your knowledge, and there's a bunch of ways to do it. You can sell your knowledge with an ebook, a blueprint, a course if you want to. You can sell your knowledge using a website like Udemy. You can sell your knowledge when you build your own website, and you can actually sell it directly to consumer. But you don't need any skills to sell your knowledge, believe it or not. It's really easy. And we're all experts in something. It can be as little as raising twins, which is a challenge in and of itself, to accounting, to just making it through the day. There are people out there that are 1 or 2 steps behind you, and they want to learn from you. They want to learn how you're able to do what you do. Believe it or not, you are an expert in something. You just have to sit down and think about what that is. So you can sell your knowledge, and believe it or not, you can make 6, 7, 8 figures just simply selling your knowledge and what you know. After selling your knowledge, number 8 is learn a skill. There are tons of ways, both free and paid, to learn a skill. You can learn a skill over a weekend. Once you learn that skill, you can turn around, repurpose it, and sell it. For example, if you know nothing about Google Sheets, you could go out and learn Google Sheets. And then once you have attained that skill, you could create a YouTube video or YouTube channel around Google Sheets. You can actually create a Udemy course. You can sell it directly to the consumer using Facebook or YouTube ads. But go out and learn a skill, and you can actually learn it right over the weekend. So let's go ahead and recap 8 real quick. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. Number 2, data entry. 3, virtual assistant. 4, YouTube channel, start a YouTube channel. Number 5, transcriptionist. Number 6, start investing in ETFs. Number 7, sell your knowledge. And number 8, learn a skill. Now that you know the 8 ways to make money online with no skills, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.